Imagine this. You ask an AI to plan your entire week. Not only does it check your calendar, it books your meetings, drafts emails, and even reminds you to carry an umbrella if it's going to rain. Sounds futuristic, right?
That's not the future. It's happening right now, thanks to AI agents. But what are they really? And how are they different from normal chatbots or workflows you already use?
Stick with us for the next few minutes because we're going to break this down step by step in the clearest way possible. No technical background required.
And by the end, you'll not only understand what AI agents are, but also how they'll impact your daily life, your job, and even the way businesses run in 2025 and beyond.
Part 1, Level 1. Large Language Models, or LLMs. These are the engines behind tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude. They're great at generating and editing text.
Think of an LLM like a super smart writer. If you say, write me a polite email to request a meeting, it instantly creates a perfect draft. Or if you ask it to translate text into Spanish, it does it in seconds.
But here's the catch. If I ask, when's my next meeting, it has no clue. Why? Because it doesn't know what's on my calendar. It doesn't have access to my personal data or tools.
Exactly. So, two things to remember. LLMs are powerful, but limited. And they're passive. They only respond when you prompt them. They can't take initiative on their own.
Part 2, Level 2, AI Workflows. Now let's move up a level. AI Workflows. This is where things get interesting. Instead of just responding, we give the AI a path to follow.
Think of a workflow like a recipe. Step 1, check Google Calendar. Step 2, pull the weather forecast. Step 3, send me a summary. Every step is predefined by a human.
A lot of creators and businesses already use workflows. For example, you could build one that collects trending news articles, summarizes them, and drafts social media posts every morning.
Sounds powerful, right? But there's a limit. No matter how many steps you add, it's still following your instructions. If something unexpected happens, the workflow can't figure out a new path on its own.
Exactly. Workflows are smart automations, but they're not independent thinkers. Part 3, Level 3, AI Agents. And here's where Level 3 comes in.
This is the game changer.
The big difference is that the AI itself becomes the decision maker. Instead of us programming every step, agents can reason, act, and even improve their own results.
Let's take the social media example. With a workflow, you tell the AI, get articles, summarize them, draft posts. With an agent, you just say, create daily social media posts from the latest news.
And the agent figures out the best way to do it, where to get articles, how to summarize them, how to test different captions, and even how to improve the posts until they're engaging enough.
In other words, workflows follow a map. Agents build the map themselves.
Real-world examples. So where do we already see AI agents in action?
Customer support is a great example. Some AI agents don't just reply to your questions, they actually check your order history, process refunds, and send follow-ups, all without a human stepping in.
Research is another area. Imagine you're a student writing a paper. An AI agent could find sources, summarize them, compare arguments, and even create an outline for your essay.
And for businesses, agents can manage sales leads, track performance, and adjust marketing campaigns automatically. That's like having a digital team member that never sleeps.
Even creatives are starting to use them. Video editing agents can cut footage, test different versions, and pick the one that gets the best engagement, all on their own. Myth-busting section.
Now, a quick myth-busting moment. Some people think agents are full-blown robots with human-level intelligence. That's not true.
Right, they're not sci-fi characters. They're specialized systems that can reason, act, and iterate within certain boundaries. Powerful, yes, but not magic.
So what does this mean for the future?
It means more productivity. Imagine businesses running smoother, freelancers saving hours, and students learning faster, all because of AI agents doing the heavy lifting.
But it also raises big questions. Which jobs will change? How do we make sure agents stay ethical? And how do we humans stay in control while letting AI handle more of the work?
Those are questions we'll all be exploring over the next few years. But one thing is clear. AI agents are the next step forward, and they're already here.
Summary and call to action.
Let's recap. Level 1, LLMs answer questions but can't act. Level 2, workflows automate steps but still rely on humans for decisions. Level 3, agents can reason, act, and iterate, making them true digital coworkers.
And that's the real difference. Agents aren't just tools, they're teammates that can think, act, and improve.
If you found this helpful, drop a comment telling us which type of AI agent you'd like us to cover in a future tutorial.
And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more clear, simple AI breakdowns coming your way.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.